This video is going to demonstrate how to create a digital STL model out of a scanned PVS impression for guide fabrication without the need of purchasing a digital optical scanner using the Blue Sky Bio software. This is a method that will put at the disposition of any practice and clinician the creation of digital models to be used in guided surgery and similar applications. Once the PVS impression is scanned with a CBCT, we go to File, Import DICOM, and the software will open a file menu that will allow us to choose between importing an impression scan, model scan, or scan appliance. In this case, we select impression scan. We navigate to the relevant folder, define the relevant field of view, and we will see the impression on the screen, and on the right hand side the software will display the process flow. We need to adjust the density threshold and make sure there are no holes in the impression, and you want to make sure you have material all around the teeth and relevant areas that are going to be poured digitally. We can click on Next and the software will convert impression to an STL surface. Now that the impression is converted, we need to start by drawing a curve by holding the Shift key and selecting the relevant area that is going to be inverted. The process is very similar to drawing a curve when creating a surgical guide. If you want to rotate and stop drawing, just let go the Shift key, rotate the model, and hold the Shift key again and continue drawing. The curve doesn't have to be perfect from the very beginning, because when the tracing is finished, you can go to Edit Curve and fine-tune the placement by holding and dragging the points on the curve. Once you're happy with the placement of the curve, just click on Create Inverted Model and the software will invert the impression into a model. We continue the process clicking on Next in order to align the model. The software will display an automatic aligning window. By holding the Shift key again, we can start choosing the corresponding points on the model and the panoramic curve. We click Next again, and the last step will be to verify the alignment in the 2D and 3D views. If we need to do any modifications, we can either click the back button or click Next to choose other alignment options. You will see the STL model on the surfaces panel and also the actual impression. At this point, you can use the model to fabricate a surgical guide or exporting it as an STL model for a wax-up or any other treatment process.